Christopher Saunders, Tremont Town Manager. The location is a really great one in that we have this capped landfill from the 90s that hasn't been able to be used for much of anything. It's a beautiful park, and it continues to be a beautiful park, but because of Department of Environmental Protection regulations, there isn't that much you can do with it. But fortunately, one of the things the DEP is permitting to be done on landfills is to construct solar arrays. And so now that we have their permission and the arrays constructed, it's just a really great use of that land. It still is a beautiful park. There's still a walking trail around it. The lupines will still be blooming there in June, but now it's also a solar array.
Yeah, I'm Joe Blatnick. I'm the co-coordinator of A Climate to Thrive. We are a new organization. We've only been around for about 3 years, and I've been here for 2 years. A Climate to Thrive started when a group of residents and businesses in Bar Harbor wanted to get a community solar farm on the Public Works building of Bar Harbor. And because it was only going to benefit a couple of people, and businesses, that was a concern. And with the success of that project, a group of citizens got together and kind of had a grassroots beginning with a series of potluck dinners and everything to discuss what can we do as an island to help prevent climate change. And so what came out of this series of potluck suppers was a vision of energy independence by 2030 for Mount Desert Island, and to make Mount Desert Island a model of sustainability for other communities around Maine and throughout the country. And so we started looking at larger projects, and the Tremont Solar project was one that kind of came up through a selectman there, Kevin Buck, and we began working on that. So we set out to work on energy independence by 2030. And of course, solar energy is a great opportunity. So we ran a Solarize campaign that turned out to be one of the most successful in the state of Maine. And we got 76 homes, businesses, and municipalities to install solar, which doubled the solar capacity on our island.
I'm Kevin Buck. I'm chair of the select board here in Tremont, and I'm also on the board of directors of the grassroots group, A Climate to Thrive. Now, I'm really proud of doing this. The town of Tremont's actually taking a leading role in a lot of things. Our solar array built on a closed landfill is the first one that's happened in Emera territory, and it's nice to be able to break some of that ground. The benefits of the solar array for the town are the largest one is financial. The cost savings are going to be $400,000 plus over the next 25 years.
So the beauty of a local solar project is that you can have youth involved. And so students from the elementary school and the high school are going to be able to monitor these solar arrays and learn firsthand about the cycles of production during the day and during the night and during the seasons. And therefore recognize the incredible power and potential of this kind of an energy source.